my name is Mitch Edwards, and I have the privilege of welcoming the Brisbane family to our 13th Brisbane PorkStar. I want to acknowledge this amazing space, this spectacular space with artist David Bromley's works surrounding us. PorkStar has launched a program with Gourmet Traveller Wines promoting those masters out the front of your restaurants who drive diners to select great wines to match with great food. And as it turns out, great food turns out to be pork a lot of the time. We've also got Endeavour Brewing, who's a partner that came on board for this year. It's a little brew house. They're in the Rocks in Sydney, Kylie? Yeah, in the Rocks. Small company doing really kick-ass beers, and we wanted to be part of the program with them. And when it came to water, Santa Victoria joined us this year. So some beautiful fresh water, because we believe that we need to cleanse our palate every now and again. We launched the PorkStar program and engaged with the chefs, the great chefs of the nation, who have become really dear friends along the way, who embraced pork on the menu. They embraced pork and made it part of their regular menu repertoire, to the stage now where pork is no longer an afterthought, it's a must-have on a menu. And to see pork get to the stage where consumers are now eating more pork than not only lamb, but also more pork than beef, we could not be more thrilled, and we basically owe it to the chefs, to the great chefs, the PorkStar chefs of Australia, who actually had a go and actually played with a product they loved and made it front and centre. We are so eternally grateful. We could not thank you more for the work you've done. Thank you so much, guys. We could not be more appreciative of your endless generosity and amazing cooking and making pork the centre of plate that is today. Thank you.